Tomorrow, and every tomorrow, maybe you let me borrow your heart. Is it too much to ask for every Sunday? And while we're at a throw and every other day to start. I know people make promises all the time, then they turn right around and break them. Someone cut your heart open with a knife, now you're bleeding. But I could be that guy to heal it all the time, and I won't stop until